My boy, Cliff. Big bowling Cliff, man. What's up with you? How you been?
I've been doing pretty good, just sleepy.
They might have been sleepy. But you ain't sleepy bowling, is you, boy? How you been? You feel me? We gotta recap about it.
Yeah, I feel it. So last week we went to another bowling meet, and so far, like, we was good, except for the point is, like, since we was just coming back from Christmas break, it wasn't but 3 of us that went to the bowling meet.
So, 3 of y'all?
Yeah.
Okay, so
and then since it was only 3 of us, we didn't have enough people to for the game to count, so we had to forfeit. We still played, it just didn't count. So we didn't have enough.
Y'all played for fun in a competition?
Yes.
Cliff, y'all had the forfeit game but still played?
Yes.
How?
Cause he let us play.
We gonna have a long talk about this, but whoever the bowling coach is. But man, we seen how you been bowling recently. You know, your team. It was like you were a pretty good bowler for the most part. You know. So how many do you know how many average you scored or whatever? Just however bowling.
I mean, the highest I've ever bowled for right now is a 160, 170.
160, 170. Oh my God! I'm just playing. I'm not that excited. But yeah, man, I see you, big bowling boy. You gonna teach me some moves? Cause really, I could really bone you in this. But I'm really cold. You not. But
catch me off my off day, and then we can talk about it.
On your off then, where you work at?
Off day.
Where you work at?
McDonald's.
You work at McDonald's?
Yeah.
What you do?
I do front counter. I do drive-through. I sometimes do fries, and yeah, I just keep the lobby straight, and that's about it.
That's good.